Everyday English, 6D. Exercise 1, page 70.
Let's buy her a CD instead. She's not too keen on reading. How about a book? Yes, that's a good idea. She'd like that.
Exercises 2 and 5A, page 70.
Hi, Katie. What are you up to?
Hi, June. I'm thinking about Judy's Sweet 16 party on Friday night.
Me too. I can hardly wait. But what shall we get her? She's very fussy.
Oh, I know. How about a book?
I don't think so. She's not too keen on reading.
Oh, I see. Does she like listening to music?
Yes, she does.
Okay, let's buy her a CD instead.
Yes, that sounds like a good idea.
We could get her the new Beyoncé one. It's in the top 10.
Great. She'd like that.